Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So in the previous few videos related to electricity, the basic concepts about electricity, we discussed about electric field and electric field lines. Okay, the basic concepts associated with electric field and electric field lines. So in this video we are going to discuss about the electric potential energy. Okay, and later on we will move to electric potential, because there is a relationship between electric potential energy and electric potential. They're different things. Electric potential is obtained from electric potential energy. So first it is important to understand about electric potential energy. Okay, so what is electric potential energy? Let us understand that first. Okay, so let us say we have a system of two charges Q1 and Q2. Okay, Q1 is located at point A and is fixed. It does not move. But Q2, it can move and it changes its position from B to C. Okay, Q2 can move and it moves from B to C. Okay, the separation AB, okay, between points A and B is R1, the distance, and the separation AC, the distance between points A and C, is R2. Okay, so when we have two charges present with a certain separation between them, there will be electric force acting on one another. Okay, as per Coulomb's law, 1 by 4 by epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square, whatever is the separation, okay, square of that. So there will be a Coulombic force between the two charges. Now q1 is fixed but q2 is movable. So when the q2, the movable charge, it changes its position, it undergoes displacement, it means that work is done by the electric force acting on Q2. Okay, because of the electric force exerted on Q2, its position is changed. It is undergoing displacement. So it means that work is being done upon Q2. So that work, the negative of that work, is called as electric potential energy. The negative of this work done to displace the movable charge from one point to another, the negative of that work is called as electric potential energy. Okay, so this is the basic theoretical thing. Now let us go to the mathematical representation. Okay, now we know that the amount of work W, let's say the work W is denoted, it is denoted by W, done by a force F. It is work is equal to force into displacement. dW, a small amount of work dW, is equal to force, which is a constant value, and dr is a small displacement. dW is equal to F dr. So the total work W is found out, it's calculated by integrating this side FDR from lower to upper limits of displacement. Okay, so this is the representation of work done by a force. Now the electric potential energy, as I said, it is the negative of this work. It is the negative of this work, that is minus W, that is minus F dr. U is equal to minus integration of F dr. So this is the electric potential energy. So here the things that come into play is the Coulombic force of attraction or repulsion between the two charges. It depends whether the two charges are of same nature, that is both are positive or both are negative. In that case there will be a repulsive force, and if they are opposite type, then there will be a force of attraction. So whatever is the nature of the force, there will be displacement of this movable charge Q2. So when it is displacement because of this force which is exerted, It means work is being done upon Q2, and the negative of that work is called as electric potential energy. Okay, so we know that the Coulombic force between the two charges is given by Coulomb's law, which is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square. Now I've already posted a video which is related to the basic concepts associated with Coulomb's law. You please check out that video. So here the electric force acting on Q2 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. The general expression. Okay, the general expression where R is the displacement, because the displacement, it is continuously changing. So this displacement is generally denoted as R. Okay, so the electric force on Q2 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square, and the direction is towards AB vector. It means that there is a force in which the vector is directed towards the right. Okay, now the work done by this force causing a small displacement, let's say dr. Okay, let us say a small displacement dr. For a small displacement dr, the amount of work, the small amount of work dw is given by force into displacement fdr. This dw is equal to fdr. Now this f is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square. Okay, so dw is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 r square dr. Okay, dw is equal to f. This whole expression is for f as per Coulomb's law, and then is the small amount of displacement dr. So now here we are particularly interested in the amount of work done to move this movable charge q2 from b to c. What is the work done to move the charge from point B to point C? Okay, so Q2, as it moves from B to C, how much work is being done on it? Okay, so for that we have to integrate this whole expression, FDR expression, from lower limit R1 to upper limit R2. That is, this is the distance AB, separation between A and B, and this is the separation of A and C. Okay, AB is R1, AC is R2. So when we integrate it, this Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0, this is the constant, so it comes outside, and we have this 1 by r square dr integration. So there we will apply this formula. Okay, x to the power n dx. This is a general formula of integration. It is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now this 1 by r square dr is actually r to the power minus 2 dr, which is r to the power minus, if we substitute this, we will get minus 1 by r. So we get the total work done is equal to minus of q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r, as it is definite integration with definite limits, upper and lower limits. We have r2 and r1, and finally we get this expression q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Or we can write it in this way, minus of q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r2 minus 1 by r1. Okay, so please pause the video wherever you want, follow the steps, and then go to the next part. Okay, so wherever you don't understand something, pause the video, uh, write the whole expression down step by step in your copy, and try to understand it. Okay, so we got finally the amount of work is represented by this expression, but now we have to find out the electric potential energy, which is the negative of this work. So here when we do negative, okay, the electric potential energy, which is minus W from R2 to R1, the electric potential energy, that is simply minus of this expression. Okay, minus of this, so minus minus get cancelled, it becomes plus q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r2 minus 1 by r1. Okay, so always keep the expression in the form of this, it will be easy. minus of q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r2 minus 1 by r1. This is the work. The negative of this work, negative negative, it becomes, they cancel each other out and becomes positive. So it becomes plus q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r2 minus 1 by r1. So this is the change in electric potential energy when this movable charge, okay, it moves from B to C. It gets displaced from B to C. Okay, A is the reference point. A is the reference point from which the distance, this separation, is measured. A is the fixed charge, so that's why it is the reference point. Okay, so the electric potential energy expression is this. In general, the potential energy at any point with respect to the reference point with a separation r is given by q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r. Okay, so here the change in electric potential energy ur2 minus ur1 is given by this q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 by r2 minus 1 by r1. So if we open the bracket, it will become q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by r2 minus q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by r1, which will be equivalent to this. Okay, so this is the general expression. Okay, now let us consider a two charge system with one fixed and the other movable with infinite separation. It means as the separation it approaches infinity, what will happen? So let us consider this, the same thing as this, okay, this system, but here the difference is that the maximum separation can be infinity, okay, large separation. So what will happen is that the net electric potential energy, it will be ur minus u infinite. This is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. Now we know the general form of expression ur is q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by r. So if we substitute r with the separation with infinity, we know 1 by infinity is 0. So this general expression is becomes ur is equal to ur minus u infinity, as it is 0. So it is this general expression q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by r. So this is for this system. Here again we have a fixed charge, a movable charge, but only difference is that the movable charge, it can move up to infinity. It means the separation between the two charges can go up to infinity. It's a large separation. So for that system, for a general separation, finite separation r between the two charges, the expression is given by this ur is equal to q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 by r. So this is the important expression for electric potential energy. Okay, so here we have discussed about electric potential energy and we have derived the expression of electric potential energy. So I would recommend you to, after watching this video, try to derive the same expression by yourself. Wherever you don't understand something, because there is a lot of derivation here, please pause the video, try to focus on the points which you are not able to understand, and please write the expressions down yourself in a notebook so that you follow the derivation process from one step to another. Okay, so I understand this is a, it can be it can feel a little bit complex to understand at the first time, but as you practice writing and deriving these expressions on your own, okay, it will get easy. So here we have discussed about the electric potential energy and derived its expression, the mathematical expression. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel Engineering Tutorial for more such videos related to electrical, electronics, instrumentation and general concepts related to science and technology. So have a great day. Thank you very much.